Hello, hello. Welcome back to the craft studio. Not now. We're crafting. Leave us alone. We gotta craft. So I'm down here in the craft studio. Gonna turn on the light. Forgot to turn on the light. And as promised, I'm going to be doing a viewer request for a craft project, and it's a decoupage project. And so I just have this little block of wood here that all I did was give it a top coat of acrylic in a light color because I want it to kind of go with my napkin. So I have a fall napkin here, and I've just pulled the top ply off because all you need is the top ply. And we're going to put it on our block of wood like so. So what I want to do is, I don't want, like you can see, it isn't big enough. The napkin isn't quite big enough. So I'm going to take a wet paintbrush, and I'm just gonna dab around the napkin. I think I went a little too close to the image, because this is going to help it tear away nicely. Let's see, did it work? Did it work? Yup. It's gonna work, except I got a little too close here. I don't want to lose my image, but I do want a torn edge because that'll make it look like a little more disguised on our block of wood. It won't look like a napkin painted onto a block of wood, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm not an expert at decoupage, but I have done it before, this method before, and it's worked. And my friend came over one day and saw my little shelf sitter, and it was a fall picture. And she said, "Ooh, that's so nice. Did you make that?" I said, "Yes, I did." She goes, "Would you be able to show me how to do it? Could you do a video tutorial?" Oh man, I can't talk today. A video tutorial on how you made it. And I said, "Okay, I'll try." So let's just see if that's gonna work. I think so. Maybe got a little bit too much up there. I could try and peel that back a bit, but I don't want to lose my leaf. Okay, that should work. So then the other thing we need is either some watered down glue or Mod Podge. And I do have some Mod Podge. Yeah, it still sounds liquidy, so that's good. So let's crank that. Oh, it's glued shut. Oh my goodness. I guess that's why you should always wipe your lid when you're done Mod Podging. Oh yeah. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I can't get it open. If I just keep working it, it's gonna loosen, I'm sure. Oh, I got it. Oh, sheesh, I had to go over to my wet cloth and holy, look at my hand. Look how red it is. Yikes. Okay, so there's the Mod Podge. Hope my brush will fit in there. Yeah, okay, well let's just carefully go in there, get some out. We're just gonna spread it around. Oops, we don't want that. Let's get that off of there. Oh no. A little bit of cat hair, a little bit of dust. Come off, you. I should have checked my brush before I put it on. Okay, gross. It's all full of dust. The clumsy crafter striking again. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna keep going here. And what can I do about that mess? Try and get my little finger in there, pull it off. Yuck. Only me. Could only happen to me. No other YouTuber has these problems. Just about got it all. There. That looks a little better. Sorry guys. Okay, there, that's better. So I just put a layer of the Mod Podge down. And now I'm just gonna very gently position this where I want it. Hopefully we don't get too many wrinkles. But wrinkles to me aren't a big problem. I feel like it just adds character. Now your napkin is going to be very delicate, so be very gentle as you're pushing out the wrinkles. Just like that. Kind of going all around. Just lifting up and pulling out the air that's underneath. Okay, that looks pretty good. I feel a little bump under here. Okay. So then the next step is to take some more Mod Podge and just, oh, I got a little fuzzy under there, go over the top and smooth everything out away from the center, very gently. Now, if any's hanging over the edge, that's okay because we can sand that off, sand our edges off. We're going to distress it a little bit later. So that won't be a problem. mess there. There, that looks pretty good. Okay, so the next thing is to let that dry. And once it's dry, I'll come back and show you the next step, okay? I gotta go wipe my lid. I'll be right back. Hi everybody. Okay, I'm done. I'm back. Here it is. Hold it a little closer. You can see it's not perfect, but nothing I make is perfect, so I think it looks okay though. All I did to finish it off, once it had dried, I just went over the whole thing with another coat of Mod Podge, and I let that dry, and then I did a little bit of sanding, but not too much, just around the edges. You can see in the corner, you know, just a little tiny bit. I could have taken more paint away, but I liked it the way it was, so I didn't go too far with that. But yeah, I think anybody just looking at it sitting on your shelf, you know, unless they get a real close look, and then you can almost see where the edge of the napkin was. But if my paint had matched a little better, it would be almost invisible. So decoupage is a fun thing to do and super easy to do. So that's how you do it. And I'm going to keep my eyes open for some Christmas napkins and maybe try to do some Christmas shelf sitters for the next holiday season. So anyways, that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for anybody who wants to give this a try. And I hope to talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.